$1,500 value, the Hobart professional mixer that all of you just love. Wouldn't you just love that in your kitchen? I mean, come on, look at that thing. Just think about the amount of sugar cookies you can make this Christmas with that mixer. Unbelievable. The night set from Cutco, you got the countertops from Custom Kitchens, and the refrigerator from Rent-A-Center. And remember, the stipulation is you must be a homeowner, so hopefully all of you own your home. You know, we don't want to do a renter's kitchen. And that just wouldn't be fair. I mean, why would you want to do that?